Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily uninstall YouTube app on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under the video and write your comments. So friends, let us get started with you. And first of all, you will need to find the YouTube app, or rather the YouTube icon on your Android's desktop screen. It can be absolutely anywhere. I have it in my Google folder, for example. I have this YouTube icon. If you can't unfortunately find this YouTube app icon, then swipe down from the top until you get a search box, and you just have to type in the word YouTube to find it. Whichever way you find YouTube, friends, once you find it, you will need to tap and hold on the YouTube app icon. And this is where you'll need to select the delete option. If you have, for example, your Android device doesn't support uninstalling YouTube, because not all Android can uninstall YouTube. In some Android, this app is factory default, and it is not possible to uninstall it. It is only possible, for example, to deactivate it or remove it. Yes, that is, it is called differently on each Android. Once you tap, hold down the YouTube app icon, you'll get a little menu like this, from which you'll choose the option that's available on your device. I have this delete. And in order to do that, you just have to tap uninstall. And as you can see, the YouTube app it's been removed, or it's been removed from my phone's home screen. And if at any point you need to rediscover the YouTube app on your Android, then you just need to go to Settings and activate this app. Friends, this is how you can uninstall YouTube app on your Android. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.